Things up this morning. Fun. It's 7:25. Time for more of the Wise Guy Live.
And U of I physics professor Matt Sellon is in Urbana on the U of I campus to show off a 10-foot liquid nitrogen cannon. Wow.
That's right. And so what we saw earlier was a 7-foot cannon that chemistry built, and so of course physics has to do a 10-foot cannon because, you know, it's bigger. So that's what we're doing. And so what I've done here is I got a piece of 4-inch sewer pipe, and it's actually 10 feet long. I actually cut a little piece off it so I could size the projectile. I want to make sure that things fit snugly as they go out so that they get launched even higher. And my friend Jim Dobbs would appreciate this joke. And so what I'm going to do is I have an extra big bottle here that I'm going to put some liquid nitrogen in. I'm going to drop it into the bottom of this thing. Afterwards, I'm going to put this ball in over top, and then we're going to stand back, and this thing's going to blow up as it's in the bottom of this, and it's going to launch this ball up a couple of 100 feet in the air. And if I'm lucky, I'll be able to find the ball again because it glows in the dark. It's a pretty neat ball. So I'm going to climb up here. Have to do this kind of carefully. It's a little woggly. Okay, so I'm unscrewing the top of this thing. I'm going to pour in the liquid nitrogen. Like that. I'm going to screw the top on this bottle real tight so that the pressure can build up. Put it in there. I'm going to put the ball in. And now I'm going to get out of the way. So if we stand back now, this thing is going to, it takes maybe 10 seconds. It's a little hard to predict exactly how long. And there's something coming down way over there. Oh my goodness. Boy, that went really high. Okay, so my plan for the 4th of July is to set this up someplace when it's dark and launch some glow-in-the-dark balls just so that we have some kind of interesting projectiles flying through the air.
Where did that go, Matt?
Well, it went very high. It became a little tiny dot, and then I saw it falling over on the other side of the street, and I think Jesse just went to try to pick it up.
Wow, so does this mean chemistry is going to come back and do a 12-foot cannon?
Well, they have some excellent plans for next year. We were just discussing that, and I think next year will involve a real big fireball. I think they're a little bit jealous of my 10-foot cannon, actually.
Well, and you can see why. It's got a lot of power.
Right. So I hope there are no low-flying aircraft.
Yeah, really. All right, Matt. Have some fun with the liquid nitrogen. Keep that off your beard. It's going to freeze it there in your goatee.
Yeah, it's starting to rain out here too. So, anyways, have a wonderful 4th of July and be safe, everybody.
You too. Thanks for the fun, Matt. We appreciate it. The Wise Guy, U of I physics professor Matt Sellon. If you have questions for the Wise Guy, the morning show at wcia.com is where you send it, or leave a message there on the feedback line. And don't forget the